Dave.
Hey, I'm Larry.
Hello, I'm Pedro.
Oh, and hi, I'm Edro.
And today we are going to steal an elephant from the zoo.
Let's get this over with.
We are now home elephant, and what should we name you?
We should name him Ebo, you guys.
Is that?
Dave, Larry, Pedro, and Edro. What is all that shaking? Is that you? No fate. It was just an earthquake.
This time, Ebo, be more quiet. Why?
Why is this house shaking like crazy?
Oh my god, where is he?
What the heck, Dave, Larry, Pedro, and Edro? Why is there an elephant in this house?
Tell us where you got the elephant or we will kill you.
An elephant from the zoo.
Can we please keep it, guys?
He made friends with us.
Absolutely not, Dave, Larry, Pedro, and Edro. You four are grounded for 5 days. As for your punishment, you four will take the back to the zoo.